Road signs are the secret weapon to passing your DMV test on your first try. Master these 40 US signs, and passing will be a walk in a park. Let's dive in. What is this road sign? A. No standing. B. No stopping. C. No waiting. Good observation. This is the no stopping sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. School zone. B. Pedestrian crossing. C. Playground zone. Exactly, it is the school zone sign. Name this road sign. A. Do not enter. B. Stop sign ahead. C. Stop sign. Correct, it is the stop sign. What is this road sign? A. Yield sign. B. Yield sign ahead. C. Yield at roundabout. Yes, this is the yield sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Railroad crossing, crossbuck. B. Railway crossing. C. Railroad crossing ahead. Correct, it is the railroad crossing ahead sign. Which road sign is this? A. Standard traffic lights. B. Traffic light ahead. C. Traffic photo enforced. Well done, it is the traffic light ahead sign. What is this road sign? A. Yield sign ahead. B. Stop sign ahead. C. Stop sign. Good catch, this is the stop sign ahead sign. Name this traffic sign. A. Do not enter. B. No straight through. C. Wrong way. That is right, it is the do not enter sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. Pedestrian crossing. B. School crossing. C. Pedestrians permitted. Exactly, it is the pedestrian crossing sign. Guess this road sign. A. No U-turn. B. No turns. C. No U-turns or left turns. Well spotted, it is the no U-turn sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Two-way traffic on a one-way. B. Narrow two-way traffic. C. Two-way traffic. Good call, it is the two-way traffic sign. Name this road sign. A. No parking. B. No parking on pavement. C. No parking, bus stop. Yes, this is the no parking sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. No right turn on red. B. No right turn. C. No turns. You nailed it, it is the no right turn sign. Guess this road sign. A. Speed limit. B. Speed limit ahead. C. Exit speed. Exactly, it is the speed limit sign. Which road sign is this? A. Construction ahead. B. Flagger ahead. C. Workers ahead. Correct, it is the workers ahead sign. Name this traffic sign. A. Yield sign ahead. B. Stop sign ahead. C. Merging traffic. Exactly, it is the yield sign ahead sign. What is this road sign? A. No left turn on red. B. No left turn. C. No U-turn or left turn. Correct, this is the no left turn sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Narrow underpass. B. Narrow bridge. C. Road narrows. That is right, it is the road narrow sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. Crossbuck. B. Railroad crossing ahead. C. Railroad crossing, crossbuck. Correct, it is the railroad crossing, crossbuck. Guess this road sign. A. Moose crossing. B. Deer crossing. C. Reindeer crossing. Exactly, it is the deer crossing sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Slippery when wet ahead. B. Winding road. C. Series of bends ahead. Good call, it is the slippery when wet ahead sign. Name this road sign. A. Side winds. B. Crosswinds. C. Dangerous crosswind. That is right, it is the crosswind sign. Which road sign is this? A. Uneven surface. B. Rock slides. C. Falling rocks. Correct, it is the falling rocks sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Speed limit ahead. B. School speed limit ahead. C. Advisory speed limit. That is right, it is the school speed limit ahead sign. Guess this road sign. A. Winding road. B. Double bend first to the left. C. Lanes bends ahead. Exactly, it is the winding road, right, sign. Which road sign is this? A. Farm machinery. B. Farm vehicles. C. Slow-moving vehicles. Correct, it is the farm vehicle sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Construction ahead. B. Flagger ahead. C. Workers ahead. Correct, it is the flagger ahead sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Crossroads. B. Y intersection. C. T intersection. Excellent, it is the T intersection sign. Guess this road sign. A. Side road. B. T intersection. C. Crossroads. Exactly, it is the side road sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. Playground zone. B. School bus stop ahead. C. School zone. Correct, it is the school bus stop ahead sign. What is this road sign? A. End of pedestrian zone. B. No pedestrians crossing. C. No straight through. Yes, it is the no pedestrians crossing sign. Name this traffic sign. A. Divided highway begins. B. Divided highway ends. C. Divided highway crossing. Correct, it is the divided highway begin sign. Which road sign is this? A. Bike route marker. B. Bicycle route. C. Bike lane. Exactly, it is the bicycle route sign. Guess this road sign. A. Staggered junction. B. Crossroad. C. T intersection. Well spotted, it is the crossroad sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. Tunnel. B. Narrow underpass. C. Narrow bridge. Exactly, it is the narrow underpass sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Dead end. B. Do not enter. C. Wrong way. Great call, it is the wrong way sign. Name this traffic sign. A. Emergency vehicle. B. Slow moving vehicle. C. Slow moving military vehicle. Correct, it is the emergency vehicle sign. Guess this road sign. A. Narrow underpass. B. Road narrows. C. Narrow bridge. Correct, it is the narrow bridge sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Electric vehicle charging. B. Alternative fuel, compressed natural gas. C. Diesel fuel. Exactly, it is the electric vehicle charging sign. Name this traffic sign. A. Bike lane. B. Bicycle route. C. Bicycle crossing ahead. Correct, it is the bike lane sign. That brings us to the end of today's video. If you want more US road sign videos and study guide, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest road sign videos. Keep practicing and we will see you in the next video.